Hello everybody. So I bought myself this thing. It is a one of the Subway sandwich festive meals, and it's bloody disgusting. I don't know how to describe it. Because in theory, oh, hang on. That's better. Sorry about that, guys. It's called turkey and ham with stuffing in it. For some reason they decided to put salad in it, which I asked for, but well, it's the standard sub. It's listen there, no. I really don't get it. The turkey there should be some whole thing's a joke. Part of their festive menu. This is their festive menu, good lord. That is disgusting. I'm not saying subs are the best things on the planet. Oh, Jesus Christ. No. Is it edible? Yes. I honestly don't know why. Hang on, let me just check this is the right thing. That's got the bacon on it. I don't get it. No. I don't know what I'm eating. That's the stupid thing. Because, in theory, this should have turkey in it. But it doesn't taste like it has turkey in it. It doesn't taste like it had bacon in it. But I know it has stuffing in it. Because I can taste the stuffing. The stuffing's quite nice. Stuffing's quite good. But everything else is disgusting. Why? Mm. Mm. No. It tastes... It doesn't taste like a turkey sandwich. It tastes... like some salad with stuffing. Oh well. Oh, hang on. I got myself another one. There's a different setup they had as well. And I got this one. I don't know if this is going to be any better. Oh, good water. Oh, oh my good God. I have never put something more disgusting in my mouth. I'm not even going to finish that. How the fuck? I didn't say to put any cranberry sauce or anything, but it tastes absolutely disgusting. I will try one more bite. I'll give it a good shake. Oh, oh, oh no, no, no. I am being 100% honest with you here. That is the closest thing to vomit, other than vomit, I have ever tasted. What the fuck? One of them was a tuna sub. I've had the tuna sub. The tuna sub's good. I had a drink and I thought, right, got 2 subs left. And the 2 subs were both the special subs for Christmas. This one, which is basically stuffing, yeah, the stuffing one, that's okay. The turkey, for some reason they seem to think cranberry sauce needs to go in it. And it is the most disgusting thing I have ever tasted in my life. The only thing that comes close is pickled eggs. And you've seen the, oh, frankly, I would not recommend at all any of the Christmas crap from Subway. My God. Now, I can eat most things. I've eaten hot things on the channel. I've eaten stuff that I'd like. I thought I'd like this. This was stuffing with turkey and ham. And as soon as I tasted something sweet. Why am I tasting sweet? I didn't order any cranberry sauce. I didn't click any cranberry sauce. It's cranberries and it just tastes sweet, and it tastes exactly like, no word of a lie, vomit. And that's what I pretty much did to it. Oh wow. So I would avoid Subway. I think I'm going to start avoiding Subway now. I don't know if my taste buds have changed or something, because the tuna BLT, the tuna sub was fine. But these two, this one's alright. This one's got stuffing in it. But even then, the stuffing's not good. And then I thought stuffing with the tuna. Not stuffing with the tuna, but stuffing with the turkey and ham, and yeah. That is the most disgusting thing I've ever put in my body. Oh my God, I have never tasted something more disgusting in my life. So, I would avoid, like the plague, which you probably were all already going to do, the festive menu from Subway. You're more sensible than I am. See ya.